Hi, this is a presentation video on how to use any Android handphone to do stock take by scanning the barcodes and storing into a file so that it can be interfaced to your post system. We will send you a Google file link, so when you click your download, after the download the system will ask you, do you wish to install? So just open and confirm to install it into your Android phone. So touch on install. So when you finish installing, touch on open to open the application. He will ask you for permission to use the camera to scan barcodes. Just allow, click allow, and then call us for a activation code for the actual installation. So once the app is installed, you can touch on it. You can start to do scanning, scan the barcode. If quantity is 1, just click save. If quantity is 1, just click save. If you accidentally scan twice, you can press scan barcode again, then the last scanning will be thrown away. So if it's 1, scan and then save. Now when you scan and the quantity is more than 1, you scan, you touch on quantity, you change the quantity to the actual one. For example, in this case 10, and then only you save. So once you finish, you press on stop scanning and then you export the barcodes to a file. So you touch on export barcodes and then you can see the file name is given there. So remember this file name, snapshot it, and then use method to send this file to your PC. So to send the file to the PC, you can use WhatsApp, for example. You can use many other tools, and then you say in the WhatsApp you want to send to a particular account, and then you choose your document, which is your barcode text file, and then you send it out. So this will be received into the computer, and the computer will have the barcode file. Okay, once you have transferred the stock take text file to the computer, now you use this program, which is our ACE Handheld Data Collector Companion program. Then you can use the file, for example, to show stock variance report. So enter a password, find out which location we are checking the file, and then you have to highlight which file that you just now put the data in. For example, this is a file we transfer from the handphone, okay? And then you run your variance report. So the system will tell you, based on those collected data on your handphone, what is the difference of the data they found in between the variance between your computer stock and the stock take that was taken from the handphone. Once you have checked your variance report, you find that all the figures are correct and everything, then you will import the stock take. Okay, same thing, using which location, and then what was the text file that you have captured through the handphone. So this is a file, and then you ask the system to set whether stock balance quantity is 0 if the barcode is not found. Okay, if you tick this, then any code that is not found in there, the system will push that balance as 0. If you don't tick, then you only adjust those stock items that is found inside the handphone, the stock take file. And then you click proceed, then the system will update the stock balances for those items that is found in the stock take file. Okay, are you sure? Yes, and you proceed, and then you can print out a journal of what is adjusted as well. Okay, once you have find the differences, it will tell you what the differences is adjusted lah.